Hi viewers, welcome to my channel again. In this video I want to show everyone on how to download the Franson CoordTrans, which is a coordinate converting software that is professionally recommended. So I will show you on how to download it and install it freely. So to download, all you have to do is to search on your Google, okay, on Franson CoordTrans. So as you can see, Franson CoordTrans. Alright, so you are going to be seeing different link to download, but the actual link to download it freely is this. Okay, so all you have to do is to click on CoordTrans free version download for PC. So you click on that. So all you have to do is to click on it. So it's preparing to download. Okay, so I can just check my download option on my system to see the progress by clicking on the download option. So it is downloading progress. So as you can see, it is already done. Alright, so it is just waiting for it to upload. So here it is done. So I will just click on show in folder to go to where it is on my system. So here it is, the application. Alright, so as you can see, it's just 6.6 MB in size. So the next thing to do is to install by clicking on it. So you click on run. So you click on next. Then here you checked I accept. Then you click on next. So the username should be your name, right? Then organization, I'll be going by students. Then here, anyone who uses the computer can have access to the software. So I'll click on next. Then the next thing is to click on install. So it is in progress already. Please, if you have watched this video to this extent, do well to hit on the subscribe icon as well as turn on your notification to keep receiving information as we keep uploading our videos. Thank you. So you are going to click on finish when it is done installing. So that is just how to download and install Franson CoordTrans software. So here you can actually do your conversion in bulk. You can load it from file. You can do it unit by unit. Alright, so thank you for watching. We hope to see you next time.